Your cabinet drawers are wobbly and the paint is not looking so good anymore. You might not feel so comfortable hosting those holiday parties anymore. You know you need new kitchen cabinets, but you've heard the horror stories of cabinets costing tens of thousands of dollars, and it's just not something that you can do. I'm here to save the day and show you where to get quality wood cabinets delivered straight to your house at a 2-week lead time at some of the best prices in America. I'm talking a 10 by 10 L-shaped kitchen starting at just $2,000. And don't mistake these for cheap cabinets. We've served cabinets to multi-million-dollar homes all the way down to tree houses and everything in between. I'm sure we can help. I will be sharing some tips throughout the video how to save money on the overall kitchen remodel, so please be sure to stick around. The best and foremost way to start is with the free 3D kitchen design. Within 72 hours, you will have a kitchen layout that depicts where each cabinet will go. You will have professional renderings as well as a price estimate, so you know if this is going to be a good fit for you, or if you can maybe kick the can down the road for some more months or so, for a couple more years. Here's how to start. Log on to ABCabinetry.com and click on the free kitchen design section. You'll need to get measurements of your walls, ceiling, appliances, etc. All of the info is clearly labeled and will take you less than 10 minutes to get. In 2 to 3 days, your design will be done. The designers can keep editing it until it is perfect for you. Now that you're equipped with the layout and pricing, which truly reflects our values and our commitment to American families, we do not price gouge. Please be sure to compare and contrast everything that you might find out there. The next step is choosing sample doors. So meaning choosing a cabinet style and color that's going to be fitting for your house. Logging onto our website, abcabinetry.com, you will find a bunch of sample doors that we have to offer. They are less than $20 and they are fully refundable if you choose to go with us. They do ship via UPS, so within 7 days you will have full-size doors that you'll be able to show your family and hopefully make a choice. Now, onto the cabinets. All our cabinets come with solid wood cabinet boxes. We use 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch grade A plywood based on the style you choose. There's no particle board in our boxes. The shelving is 3/4 inch hardwood and the drawers are dovetailed and soft closing. The doors are made of birch wood and are soft closing as well. The cabinets come in a variety of sizes and custom-like options with sizing as narrow as 6 inches and as wide as 42. The specialty cabinets we have include base waste baskets, oven cabinets, spice racks, roll-out shelves, dividers, and much, much more. Over the last 6 years, our company has been ranked 5 stars across Google and Better Business Bureau for overall customer satisfaction, including product quality. Delivery. The cabinet order is placed with our sales team or our design team, and within 2 weeks, you've got cabinets delivered straight to your house. We do have multiple warehouses across the country we ship our goods from, ensuring quick and easy access. The delivery fee itself is $2.99, any number of cabinets, any zip code in the mainland USA. We've got options of completely assembled cabinets or ready to assemble, meaning you do it yourself at home, which is the best bang for your buck. If you choose the latter option, we have video guides to show you how to assemble. Each cabinet takes about 20 to 30 minutes. The tools required are very basic. See the assembly section on our website for more info. Next, the actual installation. If you've never held a power drill in your life or for the last couple of years, please just hire somebody, okay? We found the prices to be around $60 to $100 per cabinet for installation, or you can choose to do it yourself if you are a bit handy. There's plenty of information out there on YouTube that will show you exactly step by step on how to install these cabinets right onto your wall. It's not rocket science if you have a basic kitchen. However, if your kitchen is large and there needs to be some custom work, honestly, we do recommend hiring a professional carpenter who's been doing this for a while. However, please do not get price gouged. Again, we find the price to be $60 to $100 per cabinet for installation. Now, if you do have crown moldings, crazy trims, huge island that requires a lot of work, the price will obviously be a little bit more, but take that into general consideration. $60 to $100 per cabinet should be about what you're paying for a basic installation. To finish up your kitchen, you will need handles, which we do offer on abcabinetry.com as well. The next big thing you will need is countertops, of course, to completely finish. The most popular type of countertop these days we see is quartz countertop. It is, like I said, the most affordable, and it is the easiest to work with for a lot of these, contractors. Aside from that, if you truly wanted to do it yourself, butcher block would be the next best option. It is much, much lighter, much easier to work with. This might not be up your alley, but it is definitely, if you want to save yourself a lot of money, doing a butcher block countertop will save you maybe even thousands of dollars. So definitely something to look out for there. Now, when it comes to countertops, please shop around. Make sure you get at least 3 to 5 quotes. They might vary by hundreds, maybe even by thousands of dollars, because some of these stores, unfortunately, unfortunately they do price gouge. As I said it earlier in the video, our value, our commitment to American families is not to do that. We've increased prices by 2% over the last 18 months. So there's that. Please shop around, make your own decisions. I hope I've been able to at least help shine some light on how to replace your current kitchen on a budget. Give us a try. I promise you will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.